Γεια σας, καλημέρα. Με λένε Στάλο. In Greek, we have three words that all mean year. The first one is a masculine noun, ο χρόνος. It has two plural forms, οι χρόνοι and τα χρόνια, which is a neuter form. The more common of the two is the neuter form, τα χρόνια. Οι χρόνοι is more literary and used in specific expressions, as we will see. The second one is a feminine noun, η χρονιά, plural, οι χρονιές. And the third one is a neuter noun, το έτος, plural, τα έτη. Το έτος is a more formal word and it's used mostly in specific expressions or in formal documents. Let's look at some sentences so that we can see how we use each of these words. Αυτός ο χρόνος πέρασε γρήγορα. This year went by fast. Κάθε χρόνο ταξιδεύω. Every year I travel. Δεν έχω χρόνο για παιχνίδια. I don't have time for games. Here the word χρόνος is used in the sense of time. Ο αόριστος είναι ένας από τους χρόνους. The aorist is one of the tenses. In this example, χρόνος is the tense of a verb in grammar. The plural is χρόνοι. Here we have the accusative plural, χρόνους. Probably the most common expression where we use the plural χρόνοι, οι χρόνοι, is this. Πόσων χρονών είσαι, or πόσων χρόνων είσαι. How old are you? Literally, of how many years are you? Τα τελευταία 2 χρόνια έμαθα πολλά. The last 2 years I learned a lot. Χρόνια πολλά. This is the most common Greek wish. It literally means many years. And it can be used at most happy occasions, such as birthdays, name days, weddings, Christmas and other holidays, New Year's Day, and many more. Αυτή η χρονιά πέρασε γρήγορα. This year went by fast. It's very similar to the other example we saw earlier. Αυτός ο χρόνος πέρασε γρήγορα. But in this case, when we use the word χρονιά, we use it to imply specifically the school year. Ήταν άσχημη χρονιά για τα σπαρτά. It was a bad year for the crops. Είχαμε 2 δύσκολες χρονιές. We had 2 difficult years. Καλή χρονιά. A common wish for New Year's Day or the beginning of the school year. Literally, good year. As in, have a good year. Το μωρό γεννήθηκε το έτος 2010. The baby was born in the year 2010. Εκείνο το έτος η εταιρεία είχε κέρδος. That year the company had a profit. Αυτός ο γαλαξίας απέχει 3 εκατομμύρια έτη φωτός. This galaxy is 3 million light years away. And the word έτος is also used in these expressions. Ακαδημαϊκό έτος, academic year. Σχολικό έτος, school year. Οικονομικό έτος, fiscal year. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Ευχαριστώ. Γεια σας.